Have you ever heard the saying, "It takes two to tango"? Well, let me explain what that means. This idiom means that both people in a situation are responsible for what happens. Just like in the dance, both partners need to work together to make it successful. For example, if you and your friend are arguing, it's not just one person's fault. Both of you need to listen and communicate to solve the problem. Or if you're playing a game with a partner, you both need to do your part to win. This saying comes from the tango dance, where two people move together in harmony. If one person doesn't do their part, the dance won't work. So remember, in life it takes two to tango. Both people need to do their part to make things go smoothly.